I'm Miss Kristen. I'm the Children's Library Outreach Coordinator at the Whitehall Public Library. Today we're going to make fizzing fireworks. To do that, you need vinegar, food dye, baking soda, some coffee filters, and something to do it on so you don't make a mess. I'm going to hand it over to our assistant.
So the first step is just to take a coffee filter and slightly flatten it out. Then you're going to scoop up some baking soda, does not have to be exact, and sprinkle it over your coffee filter. Do not be afraid to use a lot.
So baking soda is a base and vinegar is an acid. And the two react, they have a chemical reaction that releases carbon dioxide.
So next we are just going to add food dye to make our fireworks colorful.
And the carbon dioxide is what makes it fizz. And carbon dioxide is also the gas that is in soda and other carbonated beverages to make them fizz.
So I'm just going to add a little yellow since you don't really have white food dye. And now you're just going to spray your vinegar on to the coffee filter and watch the magic happen.
And this is also fun then to let it dry and the coffee filter turns out nice and colorful. So, thanks for joining us.
And have a great day.